Anyone who's followed me along on my healthy hair journey, you all know my love for hair oiling. I think I must have tried every single hair product and hair hack under the sun, but hair oiling will always be my #1 secret to healthy hair. And no matter how healthy my hair gets, I will never stop hair oiling. My favorite oil to use for my pre-wash hair oiling is the Fable Holy Roots hair oil. I use this once a week, and honestly guys, my hair growth is insane. This oil has amazing ingredients, an amazing blend of different oils that together help promote hair growth, oils that can help with blood circulation on your scalp, and of course help to grow healthier and stronger hair. I always like to start by giving myself a good scalp massage for about 5 minutes just to help get the blood flowing. I then just section off my hair and apply the oil directly onto my scalp using 1 full pipette. I then just go back in and give myself another scalp massage just to make sure all of the oils are worked in. Next up, I really just love adding oils to the end of my hair before washing. I seriously think this is one of the main reasons why my hair is so shiny at the ends. I also have quite dry and tangly hair, so this just helps to detangle and give my ends a deep condition before washing. After applying the oils, I leave it anywhere between 2 hours to overnight, and I leave it in a protective hairstyle. I then just wash it out as normal, and this is how my hair currently is looking. I will never stop using this product.